Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find and review visitor details in your Bigcommerce store. Understanding our visitors helps us track customer behavior, improve marketing strategies, and make smarter business decisions. Let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we can find our visitors or the number of visitors by going to the left side of the dashboard. Here, we see the Analytics section. There is a drop-down button in the Analytics section. We just need to click this button. When the drop-down appears, we will see the Overview option. Please select this overview. In this section, we can see the number of visits, conversion rate, orders, revenue, customers, and average order value, AOV. We also see graphs, and in the lower part, we can find numbers showing who visited the shop, who added items to the cart, and who made a purchase. However, we cannot see detailed information for every visitor. We can only see the details for registered or buying visitors. For other visitors who only browse the store, we only see the numbers, not their details. We can also see the top products visited, or we can tap visits by origin. We can click this button to see the overview of origin details. This section allows us to analyze some web traffic sources for the store. Once we are done, that's how we access visitor details in Bigcommerce. By regularly viewing our analytics and customer insights, we can better understand our audience and grow the store effectively.